For years, sorting or reversing an array in JavaScript was a trap. The standard .sort and .reverse methods mutate the original array in place, which causes massive, hard-to-find bugs when you're working with state frameworks like React. But JavaScript finally fixed this with a family of non-mutating copying array methods. They sipped across the 2023-2024 spec cycle, and today they work in every modern browser and in Node 20 and up, so they're safe to use in production right now. Here are the methods you should reach for. Const shipments equals shipment 1, status pending, shipment 2, status delivered, shipment 3, status in transit. The old way mutates the original array. Dangerous. The new way creates a new copy. Safe. Historically, if you wanted to sort an array without destroying the original order, you had to clone it first with the spread operator, like shipments.sort. Now you just use toSorted. It reads the array, returns a brand new copy with the elements sorted, and leaves your original data completely untouched. And that's not just a claim. You can prove it by logging both. Console.log shipments, original, still in its starting order. Console.log sorted new, a separate sorted copy. The original is exactly as you left it. That's the whole point. The same pattern applies to reversing. Instead of .reverse, which flips the array in place, use .toReversed to get a reversed copy. Const recent shipments equals shipments.toReversed. Next is .toSpliced, the non-mutating counterpart to the classic .splice. Same arguments, a start index, a delete count, and any items to insert, but it returns a new array instead of chopping up the original. So you can add, remove, or replace a range without side effects. Here, insert a new shipment at index 1, removing nothing. Remove the item at index 0. My favorite addition is .with. Instead of manually mapping over an array just to replace one item, .with index new item returns a brand new array with that single item swapped out. Here, update shipments 1 equals status delayed. If you're writing Redux reducers or React state updates, this cleans up your code instantly. No spread, no map, no mutation. Now, one crucial caveat that will save you from a sneaky bug. These methods make a shallow copy. They give you a new array, but the objects inside it are still the same references as the originals. In the examples above were fine because with and .spliced replace whole objects.
But if you grab an item out of one of these new arrays and mutate its properties directly, say sorted new 0.status equals delayed, you'll also be changing the object in your original array because both arrays point to the same object. The rule of thumb, these methods protect the array, not the items in it. To change an item, replace it with a new object rather than editing it in place. Finally, two related methods from the same spec wave that pair nicely with these. .findLast and .findLastIndex. They work just like find and findIndex, but they search from the end of the array backward. Handy when the item you want is more likely to be near the bottom, like the most recent entry in a log. Const last delivered equals shipments.findLast s:/s.status equals delivered. So to recap, reach for toSorted, toReversed, and toSpliced instead of their mutating versions. Use with to swap a single item, and remember findLast for reverse searches. Just keep the shallow copy rule in mind, and your state updates will be predictable, bug-free, and a lot cleaner.